Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for a NordVPN coupon code to take money off your subscription, you're in the right place. Today I'll share the latest NordVPN coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025 so you can save big right away. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest discount. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPNs in the world, with thousands of servers, lightning-fast speeds, advanced threat protection, and the ability to unlock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're browsing privately, streaming your favorite shows, or traveling abroad, NordVPN keeps your connections safe. Here are the codes you can try. Away83, save up to 83% off 2-year plans. Nord, for free, get 4 months free with long-term subscriptions. VPN 2025, flat 20% off for new users this year. Save 15, extra 15% off annual plans. Bundle 30, 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your NordVPN plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum discount, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2025, so don't wait. NordVPN coupon codes like these go away fast, and once they're gone, the deal is gone too. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start browsing securely today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and tech deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.